Every organization tells a story. Some stories are written in moments of growth and alignment. Others are written in chaos, uncertainty, and silence. But every story, no matter how it begins, can be rewritten. At Harbinger Horizon, I want to pause and say thank you to the tens of thousands of people across businesses and organizations who have trusted us over the years as your leadership development partner and human resource strategist. Thank you. You trusted us to walk into your organizations, listen to your challenges, and help you build something better, stronger leaders, healthier cultures, and workplaces where people feel seen, heard, and valued. From boardrooms to factory floors, from city halls to break rooms, I've had the privilege to bring people together, sometimes in moments of tension, sometimes in moments of transformation, always with purpose. Leadership isn't about titles. Culture isn't built by accident. And progress doesn't happen without courage. Every organization has a story. Some are written in chaos. I choose to help rewrite them in hope. At Harbinger Horizon, the work isn't just about policies, training, or strategy. It's about people. And when people grow, organizations follow. For now. For the future. Thank you for trusting me. Thank you for trusting Harbinger Horizon. And thank you for allowing us to be a part of your story.